Hello my loves, it's Kasha Planarista 101. Today we are going to be planning in my creative journal, which is Sophisticated Florals, and this for the week of September 26th through October 2nd. We are now fastly approaching October, and it's kind of scary how fast the time goes. So today I'm going to be using the seasonal sticker book from Plan. She had one of these seasonal lovely books with stickers in it that I wanted to use, so I'm gonna go ahead and use them because I've been waiting quite a bit to have these in my planner. And I wanted to say thank you if this is your first time joining me. Welcome to my channel. If you are coming back to spend more time with me, thank you so much. I appreciate you beyond measure. I really do. Thanks for being here and thanks for spending time with me. So let's go ahead and put this sticker down, and that's the first focal point of this spread. Because it is my creative journal, I don't really have a rhyme or a reason of how I put these stickers down. It's just one of those things that it is what it is and I'm okay with it. So this one I didn't like where it was sitting, so I'm gonna use undo and take it down like so. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and put this scene of like sweater and boots and hat in here because it's so lovely. It looks so like warm and cozy. I think this is an older book from Plan, but I really do like these florals a lot. And I'm ready. Leggings and leaves and lattes, please. Yep, that's about right. Hot coffee is the best on like a fall or winter day. I can't stress that enough. Or like a hot tea. I love those. Okay, I'm gonna move the sticker down just a little bit. There's some adhesive left over here from a sticker. Oh well, I'm gonna put the flowers right up here. I think they'll look great. Yeah, it's already turning out to be quite fantastic. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put this big box right up here. And it's already bubbling. Do you see that? I hate when that happens, but then I can always fix it. Yeah, that's good. Okay, so I'm gonna keep adding elements to the spread until I feel like it's quite complete. So I'm gonna go ahead and first put these flowers in here. And some flowers on that side. Yeah, I think it's looking more and more like fall. Now add another quote. Okay, let's minimize these lines really fast. Okay, I think that looks better than a quote right there. And I can add another big box with graphics. I think that looks good. Let's add pumpkin spice everything, which I am not a huge fan of pumpkin spice. I don't know if it's because I didn't grow up in the US and it wasn't a thing. I do like some pumpkin things, like I like pumpkin soup. I like the savory pumpkins. I made pumpkins with seafood, which was phenomenal, but I'm not into like the fake flavoring of pumpkin into things. So I don't know, maybe it's just me, but I know from what I understand, it's one of those things that you either hate it or love it. There's no in between, right? Let me know down below how you guys feel about pumpkins. Okay, and now I'm just gonna use some regular boxes that Calibre plan, putting the sticker book and kind of add things in to balance them out. So here we go. Add some flowers along here. I think they'll look kind of cute, and it does. Yeah, I think that looks great. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add more of like tiny floral arrangements throughout. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that one right there. I think that will bring in the flowers. I'm gonna add one below, which I think will look really good too. I'm gonna use up all the spaces that I normally don't write in, so it will be as full as possible. And then I'm gonna add some more quotes maybe into a box. Okay, so a couple more boxes. I'm gonna add some green ones throughout to bring in the green. I need a green on the other side as well. I'm gonna add this yellow to balance it out. I like this like dark green yellow caramel combo of colors. I think it's very much fall. I think it looks beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and add that box, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add a green one as well. I think that works. And then this nude one really fast as well. Okay, I'm gonna add more flowers on that side because I think they'll look good, which it does. And then I'm gonna maybe like section a flower and put it all over as well. Let's see. Yep, let's put that in a corner. That looks good. Maybe I can do this corner as well and kind of combine them, which is nice. Okay, and I want to add these journals. And I'm almost done with the spread. It's very quick and simple today, so it's kind of what I'm doing. It's going to be full but simple, and then I have still plenty of room to write in those boxes about my day and emotions and hopes and dreams. So that's all I had for you guys. I'm gonna add one or two of these little ones up here. I think that works well, and I'm done. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you soon for another plan with me. Bye.